Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your BMW key logo. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a new BMW logo sticker, and a clean workspace. This simple process can refresh your key's appearance in just a few minutes. It is important to have everything ready before you begin to ensure a smooth and easy replacement. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's remove the old logo. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it under the edge of the existing logo. Apply slight, consistent pressure to carefully pry it off. Be mindful not to scratch the key's surface. Once the old logo is removed, use an alcohol wipe or a similar cleaner to remove any remaining adhesive residue. A clean surface is crucial for the new logo to adhere properly. With the surface clean, it's time to apply the new logo. Carefully peel the protective backing from your new BMW logo sticker. Take your time to align the new logo perfectly within the circular recess on your key. Once aligned, press down firmly on the logo for about 15 seconds. This ensures strong adhesion and prevents the new logo from peeling off prematurely. Your key will look brand new. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your BMW key logo. Take a moment to inspect your work, ensuring the new logo is perfectly aligned and securely attached. Your key now has a refreshed, factory-new appearance, enhancing its overall look and feel. For more great tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your home's tech and bring your space to life. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.